We're running out of time. It's really urgent to keep what we have and restore what we lost. We need nature. It's the source of our food systems. And if we don't take that seriously and we let nature turn against us, then our food systems will be destroyed and the damage won't be repairable anymore. The cause of biodiversity loss, I believe, is the way in which we live, the way in which we produce, the way in which we consume. And while producing and consuming, we simply forget to also protect. So yes, I see degradation everywhere. Yet I also see a lot of action to counter the degradation and to restore. And that's, I think, the good news, that degraded ecosystems, they can be restored. And that is, to be honest, what is driving me more than the degradation itself, because everywhere I see degradation and everywhere I see local people coming into action to restore. That's why I want to focus on restoration. I've visited a few companies who are experimenting with novel plantation designs so that they combine palm oil with protection forest, with community gardens and rubber gardens. And I think that's a good way of combining production, consumption and protection within the same piece of land. There are two ways, two models for restoration. Either you make a big design and you restore a vast territory at once, or you look a bit deeper and a bit closer to what already happens on the ground and you find many local initiatives that are supported by local people and landscape and inhabitants. And if you connect all these small ones, you also get to the same scale. And then the result, I strongly believe, will be the same. Wageningen can contribute a lot. It is contributing a lot. Wageningen scholars and students are working together with local stakeholders on the ground to explore how to balance production, protection and consumption within local landscapes. Landscape restoration is often confused with just planting trees. Look, there's nothing wrong with planting trees, but there is so much more to be restored in a landscape. I believe that it's up to people, to the residents of a landscape, to define what needs to be restored, because it's their place we're talking about and it's their lives that are at stake.